This year's hackathon had 13 teams, around 80 people from various departments, software development, business people, testing, designers, and so on and so forth. It was, again, based on our partnership with Orange, to whom I thank for being such a good partner. It was a great experience. The theme was AI, and trying to put AI to good use for all of us. And I think we're at a point where AI technologies actually can be put in use for various ideas. And with enough processing power and with enough algorithms at hand, the teams made mostly Python-based solutions, some of them calling various APIs in order to provide AI-based projects to build a solution.
It's a very exciting experience. You need to be hyped, you need to be inventive, you need to be with all your being here. You need to make sure that everything you need to do is done.
It's a challenge. So far it's a challenge, that's the best way I can describe it.
We are working on stuff that are not our main activity, and it's a learning, fun experience.
I have a great team. I have a great team, and I have a great team. So things are working smoothly until now.
I can say for sure that sleeping was not one of our priorities. More like having fun, writing a lot of code, quality code, and delivering what we intended to do.
You cannot find anywhere else what you find here, and you meet these wonderful, experienced people from all over the country.
Everybody told me that it would be a great experience. Let's say a contest that will teach us a lot about teamwork, and it will encourage us to develop things in a faster way, great things with our team.
Last year I was here as an organizer, and I felt the energy of this contest, and I said I have to be part of it and I have to experience it for myself.
I chose to be here because I have a lot of ideas that are sitting on the shelf. I don't have enough time to implement them, and it's a great opportunity to get something done, hit it against the wall and see if it sticks.
Because I always like challenges. I like to meet new people and to learn new skills.
The most important reason I am participating here at this hackathon is that I want to try new technologies, and also I want to learn to gain some experience regarding this area, artificial intelligence, because this is the future of the software development.
I chose to participate in this hackathon contest because I'm a team player and I want to meet new people and create new things. I mean, you don't get to do this very often from scratch. And yeah, this is something you wouldn't want to miss.
It's a best chance to know my colleagues, to work together with them, perhaps in the day-to-day projects, in the day-to-day business. I don't have this chance, and now it's very nice to work together.
Basically, less is more. Try and do it well. Do one thing and do it well.
You need to be focused, you need to have a very clear plan about what you're doing. You need to be confident in your team. You need to be confident that your idea is the best. You need to work on the package of the idea, because we all know that the package sells the products.
So my tips for a successful experience at this hackathon would be for the people to have good time and try to learn as many new things as possible. And also, with respect to coding, try to build smaller features that will work in the end and build from there, instead of building a very large application in a very limited amount of time with the risk of not finishing it.
Be prepared for a sleepless night. tons of coffee, lots of fun, lots of work.
Definitely sleep the night before, not like many of us here. You should definitely bring here all your enthusiasm and your best ideas, because this is the only way that your ideas will breach the barrier between you, your brain, and the audience.
It's amazing what you can learn from such an event, from a hackathon. It's a very condensed experience in which you meet interesting people, you actually bond with them, so that's always a good experience, and you make new friends. And again, you learn so much in such an event. Trying to put something together in 12-14 hours, it's something you'll never forget.
Rest, share ideas, share experience with your team, and be open-minded.
I think the idea is the most important, and also the way they present their solutions. It's not so important to write a very clean code, but it's important to have a working solution in 24 hours.
Sleeping is part of the hackathon also, but the most important thing is to have fun, to work with your team, and even when you're sleepy, you've got to stay there with the team. It's one down or all down.
Prepare more in advance.
It was simply amazing to see so many people together trying to put up solutions in a domain that's quite difficult. Think about 12 hours spent trying to actually train a neural network, and even deep neural networks, to actually produce meaningful results. It was amazing. I enjoyed very much seeing the winners of this year's hackathon, a social project for kids with autism and other symptoms that can benefit from an AI-based app to improve their skills and their integration.